Hello guys, today we are going to beat Windstorm, and by that I mean you are going to watch me beat Windstorm, because I already did. And I decided that I actually wanted to edit a video, but I didn't make an intro, so I am now. Let's get into it. Pretend this cut is good. Five. I'm not fucking saying it. Okay, nice slow bug. I love this game. God damn it, bro. Stop dying. I'm so bad at this game. Can I please regain my insane consistency? I prefer to get to the wave every attempt again. I'm gonna get off globed. I don't even know why I'm on globed. Okay. I am so dog shit at this game. Bro, how do you even die there? Bro. That is sad. Wasseretta break. Alright, that's good enough Wasseretta break, I guess. Alright, wait. Wasseretta skill boost. First attempt. Fuck you, Wasseretta. That's your fault. You know what? I'm gonna get a Killbot skill boost. Okay. Okay, good enough. Alright, Killbot skill boost incoming. It's the wrong level. Hurricane and Windstorm are basically the same thing, but it's the wrong level. Oh my god, bro. Killbot does not give you a skill boost. What am I doing? Like, I swear. Honestly? I think this will make the wave way easier. Yeah, I can see way better. Okay, my icons kind of look stupid with black, but... What am I doing? What am I doing? The last part is not hard. I'm expecting to die the last part twice, yeah. subtitles, just so you can understand that I'm adding subtitles. So you can understand that I'm adding subtitles, so that you can understand, holy shit, bro, why am I yapping? I just fucking beat the level. You thought that was the attempt, because I edited it to be like it was the attempt. Yeah, you got fooled. I'm so original, I definitely didn't do that just because Nepesta did it in one video, and I liked it. Yeah. Oh, come on! Let me beat it! I just want to beat it! You know what? I'm gonna do something. Okay, there. Now I can be the most boring black possible. This is the most stupid icon. Okay, so I am just so dog shit for some reason. I'm gonna play Sunburn instead for a second. I'm just gonna play Accu. Accu's a good level. Beat this level. Wait, I should find a mashup. Oh, that's a great idea. Godzilla. More. Okay, now these are good. I can swallow a bottle of alcohol in Oh my god, bro. I can swallow a bottle of alcohol. Holy shit, bro. Just let me beat it. Like, it's just that I should have beat this like 20 minutes ago. So it's getting kind of annoying. Like, 100 attempts. That is way too many, bro. How do you even die there? Like, I'm just wasting so much time. So like 5 is honestly pretty lenient. I'd expect like 3.
This beat is cray cray, Ray J, H-A-H-A-H-A, laughing all the way to the bank. I spray flames, they cannot tame or placate the monster. You get in my way, I'ma feed you to the monster. I'm normal during the day, but at night turn to a monster. When the moon shines like ice from a trucker, I look like a villain out of a blockbuster. Godzilla, I spit a monster. Blood on the dance floor, Louis V carpet. Fire, Godzilla, fire. This is just a song to go ballistic on. You just pull the pistol on the guy with a missile launcher. I'm just a Loch Ness, the mythological.
Okay, finally. That took like twice as long as it should have. Alright. That's a really, really good timing level. Even like I already commented yesterday. This is exactly what timing level should be. Satisfying, creative, and fair. It's really good, trust. Alright, I'm gonna be honest, I probably lost some attempts. That's probably closer to 400. And I lost a lot of attempts in this. I'm gonna be honest, I practiced for like about 1k. So, it was partially just over practicing because this level is really fun and I wanted to play it. But it was probably about 1.5k attempts. This level's really good. This guy also made air fryer. I know that was pretty good. Might beat it at some point. And whatever that is. And that, I don't know what those are. Seem fine. I am yapping way too much. I'm just gonna end this right now. Yeah. And yeah, I beat this level. This level's really good. I think I've already yapped enough in this video, but yeah, I really like this level. If you beat extremes pretty easily, like, I think me, I don't know. I'd say I'm pretty decent. Yeah, you should definitely beat this level. It's really good. Goodbye. If this gets a lot of views, I might edit another video, but this took a lot of work.